Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully customize lock screen like One UI 7 on your any Samsung device. So, let's begin. Okay, first guys, you download all these apps. This is actually widgets and download these all widgets. This widgets link available in description. And guys, before customize, first set up all these widgets. Now simply go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. After download, tap and open. Set permissions. And guys, download Lockstar plugin. Okay guys, if you download this plugin, then tap on open Lockstar and make sure always on and lock screen turn on. Now tap on lock screen and you can see guys many customization options in this Good Lock Lockstar plugin. You can see guys, you also change clock position like One UI 7 lock screen customization. And guys, with clock you also change all widget size and position like this. Simply tap on widget area. You also add music player and you also move any position on lock screen. Now add widgets. You can see guys, I add weather widgets, and guys, you all customize your lock screen, widget, clock, or guys, you also change shortcut like One UI 7 or you change position, align or more like this. Now you can tap app button and you can see all shortcuts app icons on your lock screen. After customize lock screen, guys, you change minimal wallpapers. And guys, you can see I convert one UI lock screen to the next level. Now I see you second preset. Guys, you can also create many beautiful presets on your One UI lock screen and convert your lock screen to the next level. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.